Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff at Auto Sauce. Today we're going to go over just how to clean a wheel real quick. We're going to use our hot sauce wheel cleaner and our wheel scrub brush. These wheels that we're going to see, they're a little particular, so I'm going to use our upholstery scrub brushes in there too to get all the dirt and stuff out of there. And then we're going to top it off with our black trim marinade. So let's get to work. So first things first, you want to make sure that the wheel's cool. So don't just go out racing around and then pull in and say I'm going to clean my wheels off, because it's going to be way too hot. So you want to make sure that they're all cooled off, and you can touch them and you're not going to hurt yourself. So this car's been sitting overnight. So first thing I'm going to do is just spray the whole wheel with this stuff. Just try to get it all in there, all the cracks and stuff like that. I'm then going to come back through with my wheel brush. I'm going to spray the wheel brush itself. You can spray it, you can dip it in water. I like to spray it, and then I'm just going to, this wheel brush is nice and soft, even though it is a brush, but it's got very soft bristles, so it's not going to scratch the finish of your wheels. So just get through all that. The lip of the wheel here. You can even clean the tires off. And as you can see, these tires don't have anything on them anyways. But you can see it's already cleaning a lot of that stuff off. I'm going to use my bigger upholstery scrub brush. It's not the same one I use on seats. And get inside all these little cracks. Mesh wheels are cool, they're not cool to clean. So let's get all in there. This is a good little brush for these mesh wheels. This is our large upholstery brush. We also have a small one. There, get around there. Super easy, right? Now comes the fun part. We just hose it off. So that was it. Wheels all cleaned up. I just got to let it dry. I'm going to speed up the process, and then I'm going to apply some black trim marinade to the tires and have a nice looking wheel. Other than the fact that I got to do the other three, but that'll be that. So now we're at the part where we put the trim dressing on here. It's our black trim marinade. As you can see, we're going to use our Tangy tire sponge, and just going to put a liberal amount on there. I'll wipe it in with my finger a little bit, just to get the sponge kind of primed, and then just take a little bit more. And then just rub along the side of the tire. These are perfect for low profile tires like these, as it's not very fat. You're not getting half the car when you wipe it down. So I let that sit there for a minute, and then I will come back with a dirty microfiber and wipe the edge of the tire off. And that'll help prevent it from slinging on the side of your paint. One wipe and it's all you need. You're good to go. So now you have one clean wheel, and then you got to find 3 other friends to clean the other 3 wheels for you. So that's it.